Assalamu alaikum everyone. Stop being afraid of English because English is not the real problem. Fear is. Fear of making mistakes, fear of speaking wrong, fear of being judged. But listen carefully. Every fluent speaker you see today was once afraid too. They were once beginners, just like you. The difference is they didn't stop. So here is what you should understand. First, mistakes are normal. If you are not making mistakes, you are not learning. Second, you don't need perfect English to start speaking. You just need courage. Third, start small. Simple words, simple sentences, simple conversations. Fourth, listen every day. Your brain will slowly adapt even if you don't understand everything. And most importantly, speak. Don't wait, don't overthink, just speak. Even one sentence a day is progress. Remember this, English is not about being perfect, it is about being brave enough to try. So stop being afraid and start learning today. Thank you and keep going, keep learning, keep shining.